Hey gang, today we're at the Compass Travel Center in Demotte, Indiana. It's probably not how you pronounce that, but it's the way I pronounce it. You can see it's on Interstate 65 at exit 230 on the west side of the interstate. On the east side, you got a TA and a Love's. Let's check out the satellite view of this place. Once you get off, you're going to enter in this driveway on the west side of the property and then swing around past the fuel islands, and that's where the parking spots are. According to Truckerbath, there's 90 spots here, and it has a 4.9 rating on the reviews, which is like one of the highest rated truck stops I've ever seen, and there's a couple good reasons for that. Beautiful place, nice people, good place to stay, very nice. Hopefully it stays this way. Really nice place. This is the best truck stop I've been to by far. Plenty of free parking, clean, good restaurant, and the staff are extra friendly. Showers are big and clean with plenty of hot water. You all seriously need to stop lying on this app.